Hello everyone, and today we are going to talk about the oil spill tax. We wanted to share with you some latest updates that are going on this very important issue. And the oil spill tax under section 4611 is imposed at a rate of 9 cents per barrel, and it is imposed on crude oil that is received at U.S. refineries, also on imported petroleum products, and finally on domestic crude that is exported from the U.S. It's important to remember, though, that for right now, the excise tax it expired at this point because it had expired at the end of 2018. However, we do anticipate that it will come back in. And for that reason, this topic, I think, is very important and something that you should think about. And Sam, can you remind me about the constitutional issues that are really of concern here?
Yeah, Ruth, constitutional issues, you may have heard with some of the things being exported, obviously pretty rare. We don't have a lot of taxes on exported products. Article 1, Section 9, Clause 5 of the Constitution says that no tax or duty shall be laid on articles exported from any state. And it sounds pretty clear, right, on this front. But it's really nothing is clear in excise taxes, as I think we both know. So generally speaking, Congress can impose a fee on an exported product, maybe not a tax. But even when things are called taxes sometimes, those don't run afoul of the clause in the Constitution that allows this. So something just being called a tax doesn't necessarily mean it's not a fee. And even though it's called a tax, it may be a fee, it may actually still be allowed on the exported product. And so I think turning to our clients and to the taxpayers, for those who have exported crude over the past few years, crude oil, that may have been subject to this oil spill tax, we now know the taxpayers have been filing some claims about getting that refunded under 4611 and saying that, hey, we think these payments are unconstitutional, and we haven't had any guidance from courts yet, but because of recent actions, we expect there may be some here in the near future to give a little more guidance on the constitutionality of these.
Thanks. And for right now, the IRS is denying those claims, and they are denying them based on a literal reading of 4611, as well as stating that they will not rule on constitutional issues. So I do believe that we will hear from a court very soon. So what we would like to tell everyone is that this litigation should be closely monitored by everyone. And if you have exported crude, you may want to consider this pending litigation and determine whether you want to pursue your own refund claims in this matter. I think what always must be considered is timing issues due to statute of limitations concerns and when those refund claims would have to be filed.